Hey, what's up? How's it going? I'm Nick, aka Loaded Wombat, and today I'm going to show you a way cleaner workflow for turning your Twitch stuff into vertical content that actually gets traction. You've probably seen a million videos about clipping and turning stuff into TikToks or YouTube shorts, and yeah, Twitch now has a built-in clip editor that can spit out vertical clips. That's handy, but if you want predictable, repeatable results that look good and post automatically across platforms, there's a smarter route, and I'll walk you through both so you can pick what fits your flow. Alright, quick tour of Twitch's native option because it's there and it's quick. Head to your dashboard, go down to content, and then select clips. You'll see all the clips you or your viewers have made. Click one, hit that new edit and share clip button, and Twitch gives you a choice between split versus full mode. Split is nice if you've got gameplay and facecam and you want both visible, while full just crops to a single source. You can drag the two windows around to frame the gameplay or your mugshot or whatever, toggle the username and logo on or off, and give the clip a title. Then you can share straight to YouTube Shorts or download the final file. Sounds great? For like a one-off? Absolutely. It's fast, it's free, and for people who just want to push a single funny moment to their phone, it's sweet. But there are a few limits that bug creators fast. You can't really find trim audio pauses, you can't automatically find the most virally moments from a long stream, and the export options are kind of basic. Plus, and this is a real one, that workflow is PC only. So if you're on your phone grinding uploads, you're out of luck unless you do extra moving around. Enter the go-to solution when I want to scale repurposing without turning into a full-time editor. This platform's whole thing is taking your long-form live streams or uploads, automatically finding the parts that hit, and turning them into vertical ready clips that you can post or schedule. Sounds like magic, but it's actually just smart automation. Here's how I do the same job so you don't spend hours clipping and reformatting. Step 1. Get your stream or full-length video on demand into the system. You can upload the raw file or simply connect your streaming channel directly. Once it's in, you choose your desired vertical output, which is typically 9:16. The platform scans the entire video and uses AI to highlight high engagement moments like hype reactions, big laughs, jokes that land, or hot takes, you name it. It then drafts multiple ready-to-use clips that you can quickly preview. Step 2. Tweak and brand everything to your liking. The tool gives you quick controls to change the crop, pick split, or full framing if you're keeping cam and gameplay, set in and out points, and easily add captions. Captions are absolutely huge for vertical content because most people watch these videos muted when they first discover them. I usually let the auto caption feature run, then skim through quickly to fix any quirky transcription errors. You can also add your channel badge, choose whether to keep platform watermarks, which is useful if you're republishing, and select a perfect thumbnail frame. Step 3 involves fine-tuning the captions, title, and all the necessary metadata. This part matters more than people think because punchy titles paired with the first line of a caption can seriously drive click-throughs. The software helps you batch edit titles and even suggests copy that is specifically optimized for short-form platforms. You can also add relevant hashtags or pin a call to action so every clip has a consistent ending, like full stream in bio or follow for daily highlights. Step 4 is scheduling, and this is where the platform really pulls ahead of basic editors. Instead of manually uploading one by one to TikTok, Shorts, or Reels, you set the posting frequency, like 3 clips per week, and the system auto-schedules and publishes them across the socials you connect. You get a clear content calendar view where you can see what's queued, tweak posting times, and reschedule if something new pops up. It basically frees you from the daily chore of uploading everything manually. A huge bonus is batch processing. Got a whole week of streams? The tool can churn out dozens of clips in one go and queue them all up automatically. That's a lifesaver when you want a consistent presence without living inside the editor every single day. And because the AI finds the best moments for you, you don't need to guess which 5 minutes will perform well. Let's talk about why this advanced method matters versus other options out there in the market right now. The native clipping tool is fine for quick one-offs, but it fundamentally will not scale efficiently for a full-time content plan. Mobile editors are great for hands-on, direct edits, but they become incredibly manual and slow if you've got piles of full VODs to go through. Powerful desktop editors can be pricey or require a steep learning curve, and they often lack a native scheduler that directly publishes to every short-form platform. Even heavy hitters like professional suites are awesome for control, but offer a terrible time-to-output ratio unless you are an editor who enjoys spending hours on every single clip. This system's sweet spot is that it automates the discovery of viral moments, gives you easy visual editing controls, and then handles the entire publishing pipeline. Plus, it's built specifically for creators who don't want to hire an expensive editor or learn a whole new, complicated piece of software. Cost-wise, it is usually friendlier than enterprise-level suites, and because it saves you hours every week, it often pays for itself in reclaimed time alone. Now, here are some real talk tips for when you repurpose your Twitch content to verticals. First, always watch your initial auto clips because the AI is good, but never entirely flawless. Make sure to skim through them and immediately remove any moments that rely too heavily on stream-specific context to land correctly. You must prioritize audio clarity because vertical viewers often watch muted, meaning the clip should still read well with captions. When adding text, stick to short, punchy caption lines rather than pasting the entire transcript for better retention. When using split mode, crop smartly by keeping the facecam large enough to read facial expressions, as those micro reactions are what hook viewers in. Keep any channel branding subtle, as a tiny badge is generally acceptable, but large logos will cause viewers to tune out immediately. Avoid giant logos that scream "I'm an advertisement" because viewers will instinctively scroll past the content. Remember that a steady content cadence is better than sheer quantity, so aim for 3 to 5 strong clips per week over 20 low-effort posts. This consistency is key because it trains both the platform algorithms and your growing audience to expect your next piece of content. If you are wondering how to get those exports onto your phone for stories or last-minute uploads, you can download them, then use services like AirDrop or Google Drive for transfer. If you choose, the system can publish directly, meaning you don't even need to touch your phone unless you want to add platform-native features after the fact. So for a final, no-fluff comparison, the native Twitch editor is quick and free, but PC only with limited trimming and zero automation. Mobile editors are flexible, but ultimately manual and time-consuming once you have many videos waiting. Big editing suites offer total control but demand an insane time investment and present a very steep learning curve for most users. This automated system hits the sweet spot with automated clip finding, native vertical formatting, suggested titles, batch exports, and a built-in scheduler so you can mostly set it and forget it. For creators trying to scale their content presence without burning out from the grind, that difference is huge. I'm not saying this tool will do the entire job for you. You should still check clips for context and tweak copy for your specific audience, but it cuts out all the tedious grunt work. You keep creative control where it matters most and hand off the repetitive effort to the smart technology. If you want a quick action plan after this video, pick one stream, upload it, let it auto-generate clips, choose the best 3, add final touches, and schedule 2 for this week and 1 for next week. Review the performance after 1 week and then iterate on your approach to see what format and moments land best for your crowd. Alright, that wraps up the full walkthrough of this content workflow. If you haven't subscribed yet, do me a solid and hit that button because I drop tips on stream growth, AI tools, and little workflow hacks all the time. You can catch me live on Twitch Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific, or slide into my DMs on Twitter or Instagram if you have any specific questions. If you want, drop a comment below right now and I'll make a short follow-up video showing exactly how I transfer clips to my phone and add platform native effects. Thanks for hanging out. I really appreciate your time today and I'll see you in the very next one. Peace out.